Hi, this is Audrey Eifler Rodriguez for Architectural Graphics 1, doing a 1/2-inch border on vellum paper today. The tools I'm using today are this architectural ruler, a pencil, this triangle, an aluminum ruler, 11 by 17 vellum paper, and then I don't have the architectural tape, so I am using washi tape. I'm working with a little bit of a limited space here, so I'm going to go ahead and line this up just a little bit. And I'm going to go ahead and take my vellum down with some washi tape. That way it doesn't go sliding on me. I'm just smoothing it out just so that we don't have any wrinkles today. Then I am going to take my architectural ruler and I'm going to go ahead and we're using the 1/2-inch scale, so we're doing 1/2-inch borders. As I said, I'm working with a little bit of limited space, so we're going to use the middle of the ruler over here. And as long as you're using the right increments, you'll still always get that 1/2-inch mark. I'll move this back just a little bit. Now you don't have to make this many marks, and as you can see, I've kind of brought this tape up a little bit, but I am a big proponent of having enough marks to see what I'm doing. So I'm going to go ahead and line up my triangle to the first set of marks, and kind of just using this longer straight edge to make sure that I'm squared up with the side of the paper, and using my triangle as my straight edge. And my triangle is not long enough to make it all the way to the other side, so we're going to just move it up just a little bit. So the next thing we're going to do is go ahead and make a slot for our name and our due date. So that's going to be about 1/2 inch about above where our markings are. So I'm just going to go ahead and mark here, and we'll mark and over here. And then we're just going to go ahead and take our straight edge, line up those two marks here and here, go straight across. Next thing we're going to do is come over here from the left hand side, and we're going to mark 3 1/4 inches. I'm going to make my mark. And then from the right hand side, we're going to come over 3 1/4 inches. And then we're going to take our triangle and we're going to go ahead and line that up and section that off. And then we're going to go ahead and line it up and section this off as well. Now we have a space for name, date, and due date. So now I've named it and dated it, and here we are, 1/2 inch border.